Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at Skype, the communication and collaboration software used around the world. The very first thing I'm going to show you is how to download it. So you'll see here I have Google Chrome as an internet browser open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search skype.com. I'm going to click download Skype. And then I'm going to download it on whatever respective electronic device I have. I have a desktop computer here. I would click Get Skype for Windows. It would prompt you through a download and then an installer. And once you're done with that, you can open up Skype and you'll see something like this. Now you'll see I use Skype quite a bit and I have quite a few contacts already here, but you can always search for people within your contacts or in the Skype directory through this little search bar. I'm going to search for Drew Sander since he's the one that's going to be helping me with this video. So good old Drew's there. If I double click him, you can see that it brings up a little chat window. Now I can chat with him. Hi Drew. And I can do a number of other things. So you'll see that this little camcorder initiates a video call. So you can do that when you have a webcam or some sort of recording device set up, or you can do an audio call, which is the icon of a telephone. So I'm going to call Drew. I'm waiting for him to answer. So you'll see that he's answered, and once he does answer, you'll see the timer. It'll show you how long you've been on the phone call with him. But what I really wanted to show you was how this interface works, because sometimes can be confusing. So a couple of icons here. This icon is to bring back your contacts list. So show contacts, and again, if you hover over any icon in Skype, you'll be able to see kind of what it does. So this is going to show my contacts, and again, it brings me back to the same menu. However, I'm simply in a call this time. I'm going to minimize that. The other icon I want you to be aware of is this little show IM icon. So you'll see that I lost my chat privileges with Drew right now, and that's no good, right? What if I wanted to chat with him? Well, you just click this icon and it will bring up your chat menu. So going back, I can minimize it by clicking this. And of course I can end the call with Drew by clicking the red phone button. A couple of other cool tricks that you'll need to know here is that conversation, if you ever need to add other people to the conversation, say you don't want to only talk to Drew, you need some other people added to the call, you would add people and it would prompt you from your contacts list who to add. If you want to get rid of this, you just simply click out of there. Next thing you should be aware of is call. Under call, there's a setting that says share screens. If you hit share screens, it'll prompt you to share your screen. And why don't we go ahead and do that so we can show Drew. So I have two monitors here. You probably won't experience that, but I'm going to click the monitor that I want you to see and then hit start. And that's share my screen. Again, I can share a specific window if I'm a little nervous about Drew looking at my stuff. If I just want to show him Google Chrome or whatever it may be, I can do that. But most of the time you should just share your screen. I'll go ahead and start that. Sometimes it takes a little while for that to happen, but it looks like Drew can see what I'm doing. Let me ask him. Can you see my screen, Drew? We'll wait for him to respond. Yes, he can. And I hope you guys saw that. It was just a quick little flash, but I could see when he was typing. It said Drew is typing. So you can always tell when somebody's typing to you or chatting in the text box there. The last thing I want you to be familiar with is still under call, audio settings. So the audio settings are really important because you need a microphone to be able to make a phone call like this. So you'll see that I have a microphone hooked up. By default, you may not have a microphone here. You may have to bring this pull-down menu or drop-down menu up and select your microphone depending on what you're using. Same thing with speakers. You'll see that I have quite a few speakers connected, but I want to hear them through my headphones, so I have my headphones selected. And once I'm done changing all my audio options, I just hit save and call it good. So final thing, This is the full screen mode. I can make it a full screen with Drew. And that's it. That's some kind of tips and tricks on how to use Skype. I hope that you guys use this software to its fullest capabilities, especially for its academic purposes. Good luck.